Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Whisper onto your Windows computer. Whisper is an ASR, automatic speech recognition tool, which converts the speech into text format. It is free to use and it is created by the OpenAI and you can run locally on your Windows computer. So yeah, let's get started. First, you need to open your browser. I'm using Chrome over here and you can't directly install Whisper. Before that, you need to download and install certain dependencies. The first one will be like to install the Python. So just type Python download over here and click on this link. And the second catch is you can't install the latest version as of now for the Whisper. So it only supports till like 3.11. So you need to find a version which is compatible. So what I'm doing is I'm going to download and install this version 3.10.11. Okay, this version over here. And depending upon your machine, you have to download the corresponding installer. So since I'm using this Windows and this tutorial is also related to Windows and we are using a 64-bit machine, just need to click on this link over here, Windows installer. Once done, just need to open this installer. And I have already installed the Python. So if you are installing this Python for the first time, you need to check the check boxes which appears over here and click on the install now button and your installation should be completed. And once it is installed, you can verify your installation, your Python installation, by just going to your PowerShell. So just open the run by pressing the Windows plus R key combination and just type PowerShell onto the search button and click OK. Now you need to do is to type the following prompt. So Python space minus capital V. So you should be able to see your Python version which is installed on your machine. So yeah, that's good to go. The next thing that we need to install is Pytorch. So just open a second tab and type Pytorch install. Okay, click on this link and yeah, come to this section of this page. I just scrolled down and I was able to see this section, install Pytorch. Now we need to select the compatible or the required configuration that needs to be installed. So my OS is Windows, so this one will be checked. Package will be pip, language will be Python, and this thing we need to do, compute platform. So if you are having a GPU which supports CUDA architecture, you need to select the one with CUDA. Or if you are someone with one who doesn't have a dedicated GPU, then you need to click on the CPU. Once done, you need to copy this command. Okay, and again onto the PowerShell, you just need to paste it over here and just press enter. And I think mine is already installed. Let me check. If you are installing it for the first time, it may take some time. Yeah, okay. So mine is installed. That's done. That's good. Okay, that's cool. Okay, the next thing that we need to install is the Chocolatey package manager. So for that, just type Chocolatey install and click on this link over here and click on this install section. We will go to the install page and all you need to do is to scroll down when you find this section, install Chocolatey for individual use, and you need to copy this command just by clicking this copy button. And you can't just directly run this on this PowerShell. You need to open this PowerShell as an administrator. If you try to run this command with this PowerShell, this is going to mess up with your installation and it's going to cause a little bit problem. It's going to be mess. So it's better you close this one and just type PowerShell and click on this one as run as administrator. Click yes. Yeah, it's good to go. Once done, we paste the code, the command which we got from the website, and we just press enter. So I have already installed this Chocolatey package manager, so I don't need to install it again. And I will just do one thing. And next we will do is we will install another dependency called ffmpeg using this Chocolatey package manager. So just type choco install, make sure spellings are correct, ffmpeg. So it's getting installed. Just type y. Yes, your ffmpeg has been successfully installed. Now we will go on to the last step, that is to install the Whisper. So just type pip install space minus capital U OpenAI -Whisper. Okay, this one. Press enter and let it download. It's gonna take some time, but yeah, let it download. So talking about Whisper, Whisper is an ASR, automatic speech recognition tool. So whatever your pass-out audio file which contains some speech, and what it does is it converts it into a text format. So it basically has, like 5 or 6 models. I'm not sure how many models it has. By default, it uses the turbo model, which is more efficient. If you want to get a result much faster, and if you want to do the processing much faster, you can use models like Tiny or Pace. But it is not going to be as accurate as the one with larger turbo. So yeah, I think the Whisper has been installed. Let's verify it by just running Whisper minus, I'm not sure about the command, let me check. Yeah, our Whisper has been successfully installed.